Hello everybody, today we are discussing about fire alarm cooler, as you know, and we see the fire alarm cooler first to how to programming and how to connection the loop. As you see here, I connected one wire only, because if you have a short or some problem in the wire, it's not affected in the panel. Okay, then after I connected this one and I see all the devices who are connected in the loop, it gives me around 50. Okay, and I see this one is 50 devices I connected in one loop, and then I started to make a programming for the loop 1 as I connected here. So first I enter the password for password is 143243, and then okay, and give me 3 types of list, like commission, configuration, testing. As you know, the commission for the programming and the configuration for the hardware of the fire alarm panel, and we have a test after we see the panel is making faulty or low faulty or open wire, to testing device by device. Okay, first we do the programming for the loop 1, and I press commission as you see here, and we have a load CDR from laptop if you have a laptop to connect it to the panel, and also downloading from the panel to your laptop. But the main problem with me that I make auto learning for the loop. Okay, and then gives me here yes auto learning on loop, or yes auto learning loop 1 only, or yes auto learning loop 2. So we have 2 loop here, so we press for loop 1 only, and I see after that to reading all the device and how many devices connected in the loop, and this is the first step for the programming auto learning in the fire alarm cooler panel. And the second type is from laptop, I will show you there. Okay, thank you very much.